Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to quickly show you how to enable subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. It's super easy to do whether you're watching on your TV, computer, or mobile device, so let's get right into it. First, start playing the movie or TV show you want to watch on Amazon Prime Video. Once it's playing, you'll need to find the subtitles or captions menu. The location of this menu can slightly differ depending on the device you're using. Generally, on a TV, you'll want to look for an icon that looks like a speech bubble or a CC symbol on the playback control bar. Just pause the video to make the controls visible. If you're watching on a computer, hover your mouse over the video player, and the playback controls should appear at the bottom of the screen. Again, look for the speech bubble or CC icon. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with different subtitle options. On mobile devices, like your phone or tablet, tap the screen to bring up the playback controls. You'll usually find the subtitles option in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen, indicated by that familiar speech bubble or CC symbol. Once you've found the subtitles menu, you'll see a list of available languages. Simply select the language you want for your subtitles. You might also see an option to adjust the subtitle settings, like the font size, color, and background. Feel free to customize these settings to make the subtitles easier for you to read. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows with subtitles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.